excited? Why are you so excited? Yeah. You had a fun day. It's been for a walk. Yeah, been for a walk. Yay. You just love this new noise you're making. Do it again. I'm so excited. You gonna say hello? Hello to Nana and Grandad and Uncle Alex. Say hi. Hi. Say I love you. I love you. Yeah. Now make a funny noise. Do that again. Oh. 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 You scratching the sofa. Does that make a funny noise? Oh. Is that Mr. Spider coming to get you? Coming to get you! You're funny. Those two teeth. Look at all that. Look at that rash around your mouth because of your dribble. Does it hurt? Sadie? Sadie? That's my hand. Sadie? Oh, was it nice? Was it nice? Alright. Say bye-bye. Sadie, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. Kiss the phone. Sadie? You kiss the phone. Oh, thank you. I love you. Bye. Bye.